ZANU-PF has lost its way. Only General Chiwenga can restore dignity. Sanamina mashoko buda pangwa ina nyasaraza kuti people have got trust in muna VP ko General Chiwenga and varikuti the only one anokwanisa kumudzidzira nyika yeZimbabwe pachene ZANU-PF ndi VP ko General Chiwenga. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndinda paendo achipumsa romdanyura chiti. There was a time when leadership meant sacrifice, when the power was earned through service, not through spectacle. Today, ZANU-PF has reduced our mothers to shadows of dignity, rewarding vulgarity and showmanship, whilst aligning the values that once held our nation together. How can someone receive a car, a whole aqua, for nothing more than shaking their buttocks on stage? Is this what our liberation struggle was for? Is this the legacy we want to leave behind? ZANU-PF is off the rails. The party that once stood for empowerment and sovereignty now celebrates excess, corruption, and moral decay. The so-called Rigananda businessmen who pocket billions through shady tenders have hijacked our institutions, buying influence and silencing dissent. Only one man is dared to challenge this road, Vice President General Chiwenga. He has called out the looters, demanded arrest, and reminded the party of its liberation routes. He has declared zero tolerance for corruption and unethical dealings, while others play politics. General Chiwenga speaks truth. He is not perfect, but he is principled. And in this moment of national crisis, he is the only one willing to confront the cancer eating away at ZANU-PF from within. Zimbabwe deserves better. Our mother deserves respect. Our youth deserves role models, and our future deserves leaders who value integrity over theatrics. Let us not be fooled by flashy gifts and empty slogans. Let us rally behind those who still believe in Zimbabwe's promise. Thomas Kwarubuda pangwa ine aiwa vanhu vazviramba vakati aiwa taneta nezvigananda vanhu vanongouya vachikudhisha out mamotor vehicles, but panguva ino kutonikwa kunzi even zvipatara hakuna kana mushonga. Macivil servants vamwe vari kutochema-chema, havasi kuripirwa muhoro ava inovafadza. Mbotizai mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, vanhu vachiudzwa kuti aiwa vakomana bvisai your trust muzvigananda, panguva ino advocate for change. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.